Hey, it's your girl Rena, and I am going to go over some quick information for you if you are someone who is either a homeowner or if you are thinking about purchasing some homes or a home. I have some wonderful information for you in ways that you can save money. So before we start, y'all know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe and join the family if you're not already subscribed. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and we'll get started. So one of the things that I can say for someone who is thinking of purchasing a home, of course, you know, with purchasing a home, you normally have to put 20% down if you don't want to pay PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. However, there are ways you can get a conventional loan these days without actually putting 20% down. I have a conventional loan. I purchased my home last year. I think I put down 3.5%. You can do that nowadays. Only thing is you will have PMI. I will say this, if you have not purchased a home yet, really consider getting a conventional loan because FHA nowadays, the PMI does not drop off. I've learned that and I was just like, what? Yes, it does not drop off in a FHA loan. So please be aware of that. Speak to your realtor about that if you're looking at purchasing a home anytime soon. Now, for those who actually are in their home, some of the ways you can actually save money, of course, if you have PMI like me, I do, once you have about 20% appraised value in your home, you can ask for the PMI to be taken off. After I believe 22%, it automatically falls off. So one great way, because I've actually spoken with a broker recently, I live in Texas, so the prices of houses are crazy. Like everything is going up. It's crazy. My house has increased in value $20,000 and I haven't even been in it a year yet. So if you continue to pay your home and pay down your home, you can actually look at refinancing. But I would only do that if you are for sure, once you have an appraiser come out, that your house is appraised for at least 20, 22, 25% more than your loan. That is the only time I would actually look at refinancing it, because if you do that, your PMI can drop off and you won't have to pay that anymore, which is absolutely wonderful. Now, I also will say this for people who are currently in homes. One of the great things about mortgages, for the most part, you can pay them off early. And one of the best ways to do that, you can actually add an extra payment a year. So whether you want to pay that, add it, whatever your extra payment is, divided by 12, add that to your monthly payment and just pay that every month. Or if you have a bonus that comes, or your tax return check, if you know you're going to have a little bit of money, you can actually wait, and when you get your money, pay one full payment towards principal when you make your normal payment. And doing that will subtract, and I was told, this is for me, I was told this by a broker, if I did that, it would subtract 6 years from my 30-year loan, which is wonderful. If I pay a payment and a half a year extra, it will subtract 8 years from my loan. So you can kind of see where it's going. You pay towards your principal, a little bit more towards your principal every month, or just make a big chunk once a year towards your principal, whether it's a payment, 2 payments, whatever. Your 30-year mortgage can turn into a 22 or a 24-year mortgage, which is absolutely wonderful. So you don't always have to worry about trying to refinance and get a 15-year mortgage to pay it off early, unless you really want to go for the lower interest rates. And you know, there are some perks to paying it off early and getting a 15-year loan. But if you have a normal 30-year loan, don't worry about it. Just send extra money and you will have it paid off. So that was just a few tips in regards to those who are actually homeowners or those who are looking to purchase a home. I will be doing a video soon on great ways to save money. That's just a great way to save money in the long run if you own a home. I hope you enjoyed this quick tidbit of information, and I will talk to you soon.